welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to go over with you what a chromatic scale is. So I'm going to teach you how to play one, and then I'm going to play you a few examples of some pieces of music and songs that you should probably recognise that use chromaticism. So we hear chromaticism a lot in all kinds of music: classical, pop, blues, jazz. So hopefully if you're presented with something that is chromatic, which means using all of the notes, and then you should know exactly which fingers to play and not get your fingers in a bit of a kerfuffle whilst trying to play all the notes. So I'm first going to teach you how to play a chromatic scale. So a chromatic scale is where you just play all of the notes. And there is a particular way that we play it. So you only use these three fingers, which I'll go over in a moment. So a chromatic scale is also known as a 12-note scale because you're playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 tones or 12 keys in an octave, and you can start the scale from any note, black key, white key, as long as you start and end on the same one. So we'll do the right hand first. So the third finger is going to be used to play the black keys only. We're going to start this from C. Your thumb will play white keys, and in the right hand your two will play, it's only going to play a C or an F. So we have these pairs of white semitones here. So the right hand, your second finger will play a C and an F. So again, third finger for the black keys, your thumb plays all the other white keys, and then your second finger in the right hand plays C's and F's. So we'll start from C. So we're going to play from C to C and back down again. So just one octave of a chromatic scale starting from C. So you can start with your 1 or your 2 on C, it doesn't matter too much. And then a 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Come straight back down. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, or 1 to end it. So I'll do that again without talking. Quicker. So you can start that from a different key. Let's start it from an A flat or G sharp. 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. So you want to make sure that your wrists are raised and you're kind of creating this sort of shape, trying to maintain that sort of curved shape. So raised wrist, try to maintain a more curved fingers like that. We don't want this like flat fingers. So for the left hand then, we're going to descend it first. So whatever your right hand does ascending, your left hand does descending because they're symmetrical. So this time the same rules apply. So third finger plays the black keys only, your thumb plays white keys, and your second finger this time will play the B's and the E's. So the opposite of the right hand. So we'll ascend an octave, C to C, and then come back up again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. Back up. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. start it from any key. Let's start it from an F sharp. So let's ascend it first and then descend it. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Again, trying to maintain a raised wrist and slightly more curved fingers. We don't want this again. We don't want flat third fingers. Then we could try it in contrary motion. So to play that symmetrically, the only two notes you could start on is a D or an A flat / G sharp. Let's try it on a D. So we play the same fingers and a white key and a black key at the same time. Try it on an A flat, so A flat, symmetrical, so now I'm going to play you just a few examples of pieces of music that have chromatic excerpts in them or chromaticism in them. So the first one is Maybe I'm Amazed by Paul McCartney. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you're with me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I leave you. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you... The next one is a section of For Elise. The third one is James Bond, so the James Bond theme, which uses the chromaticism in like the bass line. And the last example is Habanera from Carmen. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on chromaticism and the chromatic scale, and hopefully you'll have fun playing around with it. Let me know if you enjoyed this lesson and which of the examples was your favourite. Please remember to subscribe and like and comment. It really helps my channel. I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.